Hi friends, hello everyone. This is Rohit here from the Digital Marketing Agencies. Now in this video, today I am going to show you it as a how to add a digital product and sell it itself. So first, if you want to sell it, first of all, in the last video, actually I have already created it as an InstaMode account itself only. So for those who didn't watch the video of this InstaMode account, so I'm going to give this video in the ending of this description itself. So first of all, you need to do is that first of all, I'm going to create a product. First of all, now I'm going to install it as a WooCommerce. So let us see. Now I'm going to share the screen here itself. Okay, now let us see. Now first point is that now actually go first of all you have to go to the notepad. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Let's see. So first of all, you need to do it as a install a plugin of WooCommerce. Install a plugin WooCommerce. Okay, now let's see. First of all, now I'm going to the website of WordPress website for which you have here for which you have created a domain and hosting itself. So let us go to the WordPress website. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the WordPress website itself and directly log into your WordPress itself. So let us see. For example, actually I have already installed it as a WooCommerce only. So, but I am going to show you here itself only. So, let us see. First of all, if you want to download and install it as a WooCommerce, you have to go to the plugins. So you need to go to the plugins option and then you have to click on add new. Okay. Now, now it's loaded on, so let us search for, now let us see. Now let us, you have to search for the WooCommerce. So let us click on the search button and then you need to search it for the WooCommerce. So let us click. Okay, let's click on the search for WooCommerce. Okay, by this was the example only, but I have already installed this WooCommerce only. So let us see. Now next point is now I am going to create a product of digital product. Create a digital product. Okay. Next, let's see now how I'm going to create a digital product. So first of all, you need to go to your WooCommerce products. So there is a products option is there now. So you need to click on the products option and then click on add new. So now let's click on the add new itself. Okay, now let us see. Now I'm going to enter the new product name itself. So I'm going to enter it as a product name is 50 Shades of Marketing. Shades of Digital Marketing. And then you need to enter your description also. So for example, let us see now before you're going to enter it as description. So let us see, actually you're creating it as a digital product itself only. So let us see now, let's click on the downloadable and then you can enter a price also. So for example, I'm going to give this ebook for free itself only. So I'm going to click it as a zero only. So let's see. Next point is that now here it is showing add a file. Before you are adding a file, first you need to enter your title name of this ebook itself. So I'm going to enter my title name. Let's see. Shades of Marketing. Okay. And then you need to publish your PDF. So let us click on the choose a file and then let's see. Now again I'm going to upload this PDF of T-shirts of digital marketing here. Let us see now. Let's go to my PDF. So I'm going to selecting this PDF, and then you have to insert this file itself. So let's see now. Now I am going to insert this file into URL itself only. So let us click on insert a file URL. Okay, now the URL and title name has been submitted, inserted successfully. And then here it is showing the download limit. So for example, I am going to enter it as I am going to enter it as a 1,000 or 5,000. I'm going to do it as a 5,000 itself. So that, and then next point is that you have to set a product image. So now I'm going to click on the set up product image. Let's go to the product files, and then you need to upload your picture. So let us see product picture. Now let's see. Click on a selected files. Okay, now let's see. Now this was my product image only. That's why I'm going to selecting directly, and then you have to click on the product set on product image. So let us click on the set product image. Let's click. Okay, and then see if you have to enter your small description. It's a short description here is showing now. I'm going to enter it as a I am going to give this, or otherwise let's see. I'm going to give this ebook of 50 Shades of Digital Marketing. Let's see. I'm going to enter the title name is 50 Shades of Digital Marketing. Of digital marketing. For free itself. I'm going to give this ebook of 50 Shades of Digital Marketing for free itself. Let's see. And then you have to click on publish. Let's see. Let's click on publish. Okay. Now the product has been published successfully. So let us see the product itself. Okay. Let's click on the view product. Let's go to the new tab and so see the your product itself. So let us see. Now let's go to the okay. Let's see. This was the example product. So let us click on the add to cart. See, and then you need to click on add to cart. Click on the view cart. Okay, let's see. Again, I'm going to show you in the down. You have to click on proceed to checkout. And before you are going to click it as a proceed to checkout, so you have to enter all those details, your details itself. So first of all, let us see. Uh, for example, this was the example that I am going to show you here itself only. So let us see. First of all, let us see. Again, I'm going back to this product itself. Okay, let's see. Now I am going to delete this product of HP laptop itself. So let us click on this. Let us click on the update the card. So let us first of all let us see now. Again, I'm going to change the shipping for itself. So let us see now. Let's go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to your WooCommerce, and then you have to go to the settings. So let us see. Now let's go to the WooCommerce settings, and then we have to change the flat rate to free shipping. Let's see. Now I'm going to the shipping, going to the option it has a shipping options. So let's see. In the shipping options, I'm going to change the flat rate to free shopping, free online shopping. Let's click. Okay. Let us see. Now again, I'm going to show you here. So let us click on the shipping itself. Okay. Now here it is showing now add a shipping zone is there. No, so let us click on the shipping zone. So first of all, again I'm going to delete this, and then again I'm going to do the shipping again for free shipping. So let us see. Now let's click on add shipping zone. Okay. You have to enter your zone name itself. So for example, I'm going to enter it as a my product name, or otherwise you can type any name itself also. So let's see. This was the example. So and here it is showing that you have to click on the add shipping method. First of all, now I'm going to click it as a add shipping method itself. So let's click on the flat rate to free shipping, and then click on free shipping itself. So for example, I'm going to next point is that now you have to select the region within this zone. So I'm going to selecting it as a India only. So let us select it as a India only. So this was the example now. So let us see. First of all, okay, now let's see. I'm going to search for India. Let's see. Or otherwise, you can select any regions also. So let us see. For example, this was a zone name. I'm going to enter it as a India only. Okay, let's see. If you want, I'm going to selecting it as a India only. So let us see zone reasons. Zone reasons are there. No? So let us, you can search it as India also. So this was the example only, but I'm not going to create it. That's all. So let's click on the religion is there. So let us, for example, I'm going to select it as India only, and then let's see how to click on the changes itself. So first, now let's see. So in this India. Now let us see. I'm going to select with my state also. So let us click. Let us see, search for the India's. Now we have got the India itself only. So let us see. Okay, this is my state only. So that's why I have selected here itself only. So let us, and then we have to click on save changes. Okay. Now let's refresh this cart page. Okay. Now we have got it as a free online shipping itself only now. So from 60 rupees to zero itself. So let us click on the proceed to checkout. Okay. Now we have got it as a checkout page only now. So let us see. For here it is showing that free shipping order. So let's click on the place an order. See, this was the example. That and then you have to click on the download it. 50 shades of digital marketing. No, it has been downloaded very successfully, guys. That's all, guys, for today's topic. And then again I'm going to change this. Again, if you want to change the free ship rate to flat rate, again I'm going to change it here itself also. So let us see. First of all, let's see. Again I'm going to WooCommerce. So again I'm going to deleting this, or otherwise you can, I'm going to change it. Click on shipping, add shipping method. So I'm going to selecting it as a flat rate only. So let, and this flat rate, let's click on, let's click on the edit button. So in this edit button, so you have selected it as a flat rate only. So for example, for cost is showing. So I'm going to enter it as a 60 rupees itself only. So, and then you have to click on save changes. So let us see. Now again, I'm going to refresh it here also. So let us see. Or otherwise, I'm going to delete this free shipping also. So let us click on this delete button. So let's see. Now again, I'm going to the shop page. Let's click on the shop page. Let's click on, for example, I'm going to add to this cart of this product and click on the view cart. Okay, now this was the example. For let's click on the proceed to checkout. Okay, now we have found the Instamojo account designer. So let's click on the Instamojo, and then you have to click on the place in order. Now it is working very successfully. So let us see. And then you have to pay this product, and you'll be get it as a message from this Gmail also. So that's all guys for today's topic is this. So let us see. For example, let us see. Now again I'm going to this Google. And then my product has been downloaded successfully. So let us see. I have purchased this free product only. So let us see. Let us go to your Google. Not Google, it's a Gmail. Now we have to go to your Gmail account. So now let us see. Now my new product has been purchased successfully. So let us see. As was the example. For example, but my message is not getting. So that's all, guys, for today's topic. So it was a very simple way. So actually, I have already purchased this free ebook only. So that's why. So actually, I have already purchased and I have downloaded it successfully. So let us see. That's all, guys, for today's topic.